Jeg gynger mig. Du sætter dig ikke i den, hvis den er våd. Go for it, baby.
Jeg hedder Maj.
Og jeg hedder Signe.
Og det her er avisen.
Avisen. Are you ready for this? Vi tager den bagfra først. Tager den forfra. Midtfynsposten. Here we go.
Læse for Pinocchio, du.
Nu skal vi ind til Hans og give ham hans avis. Værsgo, Hans. Her er din avis.
Ja, tak. Kan det godt holde til batteri med musikhuset?
Ja, sagtens. Det var Simon.
Ham synes du er lidt pæn.
Lidt.
Ham der skal
Sådan, Maj. Du kunne. Wow.
jeg kunne godt. She's giving a visa to him. Catwalk. Oh yeah. Fight.
Hold nu op.
And now I'm gonna go and scream. They did it yourself. Das was a lot of fun.
We are going up on the bakke.
The Talbakke. It's so hard. Ej, det er faktisk meget hårdt.
I'm passing it.
Yes.
Right here.
Yes. She's good. She's very good. It's a nice house. Very nice.
It's a very nice house.
It's a very nice.
Yeah, lives an old man.
Let's carry it together because it's so hard up this hill.
Together forever.
There is
Never
a minute.
Maybe in distance, but never in heart.
Look at our feet. I have 6 feet. She has 12 feet.
Hold on. Føj.
Det er meget hårdt.
Godt nok hårdt.
And that is the ambulance indgang. Entrance.
Now I will disappear like a ghost. I'm going now.
No. I'm all alone. So much fun. Somebody's behind me. Somebody also behind me. Oh. It's very scary. Very scary. She's back. Oh, she's back. Hun er tilbage. We always come back.
I got that swag back.
It's sexy. With a bit gangster.
I know it.
Yes, you are. But I know it. I'm gonna ride this.
I'll show you.
I'm gonna go this right now. I'm a horse. You are funny. Yes.
Jeg har et spørgsmål til alle jer derude. Ved I, hvad forhusforsnævring er?
Det er slemt.
Det er et godt spørgsmål.
Ja. Hvis I ikke ved, hvad det siger, det måske jo ikke være. That's our biology teacher.
Yes, I will see you. Oh my god. Jeg tror ikke, jeg kan komme ud igen, Maj. Jeg tror ikke, jeg kan komme ud igen. I'm coming. There is a little hole that you can came out of.
That sounds naughty.
That's really naughty.
That's misunderstood.
Jeg er ved at falde.
That is not good.
Nej.
Okay. Men det er virkelig meget fedt, det er meget.
Ja, det er fordi, at jeg går i klasse med dig. Nej, du er min ven. Hvem går jeg i klasse med, som jeg ikke kan lide mig? Nej da! Jo.
Det er okay til at rette og vide, at vi ikke kan lide.
The church. And it's Sparta. This is the party song. I am a party maker. This is the party song. I am a booty shaker. Og så giver mig et gas.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Now we're going up at Præstegård spot. That means free.
And away. Det er en scooter, Maj.
No. Also called
Called.
But moped in Germany. I'm running, bitch! Run! Now. Oh my God, the kids come to us.
Now we are going to close it again. We have optaget in 8 minutes and 30 sekunder.
Yes.
Goodbye, Maj.
So now we're done. Nu er vi færdige med avisruten.
On my way home to my crib.
Yeah, she's gonna show us the crib. I think so.
I'm gonna show you my crib when we get 500 meters that way.
That way. Look at all those cars.
Hvis du vil til Fyn, så er der huset her.
Yes, if you want to move to Fyn, there's a house right there on sale. Really nice. Oh my God, we hop on. Oh my God, my hop on. So, it's lovely. Det er dejligt, vi er færdige.
It's very nice.
Yes. My feet is hurting because I have soggy shoes on.
Soggy shoes?
Yes, they suck. And that is how to måle that they don't go too fast.
Nej.
Er det ikke? Så. Troede jeg bare, det var.
Du kan godt sige det.
Ja. Look at all those houses.
My lines are more better. Okay. Feel my heart.
So, that was the my and Stine journey. And from Ringefy, he's going out again. Oh no! That's he turned. What the fuck? I'm gonna turn off now.
Good idea.
See ya.